For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Bullish Uniswap unit cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $40.29 and $87.73 by 2030. Market experts accept unit could reach $40.29 by 2025. Bearish Uniswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.16. Uniswap unit introduction. In 2021, cryptographic money brokers cherished the Uniswap unit coin, which saw huge benefits all through its concise presence. Notwithstanding, as 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade (DEX) token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a huge achievement in May 2022. Complete exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the horrendous exhibition of its local coin. What future possibilities could we at any point predict for UNIT? Go along with us underneath as we look at the cost expectation for the UNIT token throughout the following couple of years. If you have any desire to keep awake to date on every one of the latest insights and projections for this out of the blue famous digital money. What is Uniswap unit? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true send-off. The stage, a decentralized application, DApp, based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the transformation of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to support them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients additionally have unlimited authority over their confidential keys. The Uniswap's connection point was less difficult to use than those of the other DEXs. In this way, it is just a mechanized market producer utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and straightforward exchange along these lines. The automated market maker component is the underpinning of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is created. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's hold account. Each commission is paid out to unit holders at a pace of 0.05%, with the leftover 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. Despite the fact that Uniswap isn't the primary undertaking to utilize it did significantly advance this line of exploration, which prompted the development of extra conventions with a comparable construction. Uniswap unit fundamental analysis. Hayden Adams laid out the decentralized trade Uniswap in November 2018. Two shrewd agreements that are housed on the Ethereum blockchain in addition to a public open source front-end client make up the convention. It is a completely on-chain market creator that empowers the change of ETH to ERC20 tokens, as well as the other way around. Then again, on the off chance that unit doesn't zero in on unambiguous headways, the cost could decline. All things considered, in the event that the computerized resource doesn't answer market sentiments, we might expect regular undeniable levels. Uniswap unit technical analysis. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been allegorical, similar as the entire digital currency market. Considering that Uniswap is delivering the third adaptation, the rate rise is expected, Uniswap v3. The people that deal with the Uniswap specialized examination by means of the TradingView stage accept that unit token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this late spring. They guarantee that financial backers presently get a 3x benefit. Extremely bullish, then, at that point. Uniswap unit price prediction 2022. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, unit. The unit cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $13.43. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $12.53 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. UNI is supposed to have a base worth of $10.74. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Uniswap unit cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of UNI will before long outperform $22.38. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the UNI's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, UNI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.90 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.70. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $31.33 and UNI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. UNI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.65 and a low of $26.86 in 2024. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Uniswap effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Unicoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, UNI will be green in 2025. The UNI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $40.29, with a base cost of $35.81 and a typical cost of $37.60. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauged the UNI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $46.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $44.76 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, UNI has a most extreme value worth of $49.24. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $55.50. On the off chance that UNI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $58.19. Neglecting to assemble the help UNI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $53.